My name is Inko and I'm a manga artist. In this class, I'm going to tell you how to draw yourself as a manga character. So it's a manga self portrait. Now, manga is Japanese made comics, which often has got very specific art style. And it's not like the realistic or observation drawing, but it's not as simple as stickman, something between. And it's fun. I'm going to tell you in 4 steps. So you can just follow these 4 easy steps to draw yourself as a manga character. And I'm going to tell you now just a generic type of the manga character drawing, but I'm going to give you some ideas how to portray yourself in it. Now, let's begin. First step is to start collecting ideas. It's always good to have pictures of yourself. So maybe selfies or any pictures somebody took of you, and then you can start working with it. And of course, it doesn't have to be starting straight like this. It's a bit boring, so it's nice to think about, maybe you're wearing your favorite clothing or you're posing in a different way so that looks more lively. And then if you have your favorite things, like if you like cat, then you can start with a cat. And then, or if you like dogs or birds, whatever different animals, then you can draw yourself with it. Or any music instruments, or like the sport team where you're supporting. Any elements you would like to throw in to your self-portrait would be always nice to collect those images. And then some people work on with your mirror. But mirror, it's always difficult to have right pose all the time. So it's always the best have a picture of yourself. The second step is how to sketch the self-portrait with your pencil and start to draw over on your sheet of paper how big you want your face, and then you're planning with a circle and a cross, and then this way I draw with an angle so that your face is slightly looking on your right side, so that you can see the ponytail really clearly and the right ear of the girl. And then just draw the eyes a bit like number 6 shape. Then with the eyebrows and smiling a little bit, and then looking at the camera. And then with shades of the eyes. And then this girl is about sporty type. She loves playing football, so I draw a team uniform of the football team with a football next to her, holding it with one finger and with a big fist. And then next to have like a flag behind her with a bit of a change. And the sketch is done. The third step is inking. Here you can see my sketch in blue. So it's easy to see how I ink on top of it. You can just use black pens and then draw over your sketches. And after you finish inking with a black pen, you can erase out all other sketches you've done with pencil. So it's only pen drawing remains. And then you can see that my pen goes like this. Done. Step 4. Coloring. It's also nice to have a black and white pictures with just a shade. But it's also nice to have some colors with the drawing. And you can scan the image and then coloring on the digital, or you can use color pencils or color pens or watercolor or acrylic to add colors. Here you can see the name of the character or name of yourself on the image, and so people can see whose portrait it is. Also, I made some examples. I hope that you had a really great self-portrait of the manga character. Happy drawing! Bye!